Hey Highland Ranch, it's me, Mr. Aaron, and this week I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some orange bread. Pretty simple. I'll explain the ingredients right now. We're going to need 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 2/3 a cup of butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 large eggs, half a cup of milk, 3 ounces of orange juice, orange juice, and then the zest from that orange. Make sure you guys get your parents' permission before you do that. It requires a grater, and you gotta be careful. All right, first things first, we're gonna mix together our dry ingredients. That's going to be the flour, the baking powder, and the baking soda. I already have the flour in here, so bing, bang, boom. That didn't go on all the way. Then you just cut it. All right, so we have mixed together the flour, the baking powder, and the baking sugar. It's all in this one bowl right here. We're going to go over to our other bowl, and we're going to mix together the butter and the sugar. It's going to require it to be beaten up a little bit. All right, so we've beaten together the sugar and the butter. Now we're going to have to mix in the 3 eggs. I've already tossed 1 in there. Make sure you do it one at a time.
Oh, wow.
Wow. All right, guys, so that's the butter, the sugar, and the eggs mixed together. Now we're going to add together our dry ingredients, which was the flour, baking soda, and baking powder. We're going to mix it in half at a time, though. So you want to do just half of the mixture. At the same time as you're adding that, you want to add half of the milk, just half, and then half of that orange juice. And mix it together. Get it going a little bit, and then add the rest. And then mix. Alright guys, so the last step, we have to mix in our orange zest. You don't want to beat it in, you just kind of want to take a spatula and stir it up and fold it in a little bit. After that, pour it into your container. Cook for 55 minutes at 350 degrees, and then boom, we'll show you what the finished product is.